Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials so the HDR toggle works. First, make sure your monitor or TV actually supports HDR and that you're using an HDMI 2, 0/2, 1 or DisplayPort 1, 4+ cable. Next, update Windows 11 and your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers block HDR options. Once those are done, open Settings and navigate to System Display. That's where you begin the activation process. I'll walk you through each setting you must change and why it matters. You're now in Settings. Select the HDR-capable display if multiple monitors are present. Toggle Use HDR to On. Windows will switch color and brightness pipelines to wide color gamut. Then, adjust HDR/SDR balance so SDR content isn't washed out. Small increments matter. Also enable Play Streaming HDR or WCG apps if available. Finally, check Advanced Display Settings for 10-bit or higher color depth and the correct color profile. These ensure true HDR rendering rather than simulated enhancement. Finish by restarting your PC and reopening apps that will use HDR. Many players only detect HDR on launch. Test with native HDR content and run Windows HDR calibration to fine-tune brightness and color. If the image flickers or the toggle resets, make sure the cable and port support the required bandwidth and that the display's firmware is current. As a troubleshooting tip, switch refresh rates or temporarily roll back GPU drivers to determine if a recent driver caused instability. This isolates the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.